Hi guys, today I wanted to walk you through how to make glass album art with a YouTube QR code. So you'll want to go to qrcode-tiger.com and you'll also want to go to YouTube and find a favorite video. Then you'll want to copy the link right there and take it over to qrtiger.com, and you could do the URL or do YouTube, and I'm clicking on YouTube and pasting the link. Alright, generate the QR code, and here it's fun because you get to make the QR code more personable. So I like these little dots, and I'm going to change the eye color to, not the color, but the shape to circles like targets. And then I'm going to change the color to a light gray. So then what you do with this QR code is you export it by clicking download ping. Okay, and then you're going to enter your email address and save it to your computer, and then you're going to print it out on your printer. Probably around 1.5 by 1.5 square. So now you're going to open up Cricut Design Space and find your SVG on your computer, and you're going to open it. You can click simple because this SVG is ready. Alright, it's pretty big, so I zoomed out. Then I'm going to save as a cut image, and I'm going to add some tags so I can easily find it. Spotify, album, music, glass art. That sounds good. Okay, and then I'm going to push continue or save. Alright, there's my image, so I'm going to open it. I'm going to delete the previous image. Now I'm going to zoom out and resize this so you guys can see it. I made sure to make it big so that it would cut nice and big for whatever size project you're wanting. Alright, so here it is. So now what you want to do is open up a text box and put in your song title. You can choose what kind of font you want at this point, whatever fits best. Okay, size it to the space by right behind the heart. There you go. Alright, and then open up a second text box so that you can add the artist. Here it's Zach Williams and Dolly Parton, one of my new favorite songs. Alright, and then resize that down to fit under the title. Come on. Here we go. I like this font because it cuts nicely for a smaller size. My frame is 7.5 by 11 inches. Alright, deciding whether or not I want to make it bold, and no, I don't need to. It makes the spaces in the E's too small. Okay, and then now I'm going to select it and add the time. So depending on the size of your frame or glass, you may not want to add the time because cutting it out is a pain. Especially those little, the hyphen, the dots in between the numbers. Yeah, the dots in between the numbers. No? You know what I'm talking about. They are so teeny tiny. So here's the time just in case you want to add the time to it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to select it and click group. And then we're going to go to the shape and get a square opened. We're going to make a weeding box so that you save your vinyl. Okay, so we're going to unlock it, make a rectangle right over the entire image, send it to the back. Select it all again, and we're going to push attach. Alright, so then I'm going to put it up on my screen where I want it to go on my mat. And I'm going to push make it. So there it is. You can move it to wherever you want. I'll keep it up here in this corner. I'll push continue or make it. Make sure your Cricut's on. I'm going to push popular and go to vinyl. Insert my mat with my vinyl on it. And then we're going to be able to push go. So that's what you need to do for this. Hey guys, and don't forget to grab your free ping in the description below. Alright, so now what I do is I push go on the Cricut Maker. Let this baby figure it out and cut out my song titles. Cricut Maker is an amazing machine. I love it so much. I hardly used it, but I love it. I can't imagine not having it. My first Cricut was a Cricut Expression. And I actually just sold it this year when I moved to Oklahoma. Then I went to a Silhouette, and I loved the Silhouette Cameo, but then the Cricut Maker came out, and I just had to have it for all that it can cut through. So there you go, it's cutting away. I'm going to pause this video. Alright, so now I've got our frame, which happens to be a dollar store floating frame. When I bought it, it had a saying on it, and I removed that saying with acetone. So now we've got this. Now we just decide on where we will place it. I really don't mind if it's exactly perfect. So I will just eyeball it. I know that will drive some of you nuts, but I'm okay with it. This is just for my personal use. Okay, that looks even on both sides, I think. Let me see. Let me just make sure. No, no, it'll work. So then you want to press down on your design. You can use the official Cricut tool if you like. Dolly Parton is my husband's most favorite artist in the music world. So for her to be recording new songs with contemporary artists is pretty awesome. This is my favorite song right now with her in it. So then you gently pull back, make sure that everything is sticking to the glass. So far so good. Let's see. There's our little dots. The comma is moved a little bit. I'll see if I can move that around. If not, I'm not gonna be too worried about it, but we'll try. There we go. There we go. Press it down, and voila. Beautiful floating frame. So now I will find the picture I want to put on there and finish printing my QR code. We'll be back. All right, guys, well, I must say I am rather impressed with the QR code. So I printed this one first, and then I looked at it and I was like, that's way too big. Okay, so this is 1.5 inches. So I thought I would try smaller. So then I did this one, and it's about 1 inch. And I was like, you know what? Let's try even smaller. So look at this one. This one is 1/2 inch. And this reads perfectly. So I'm gonna cut this out. This is sticker paper. And then we will place this on here. All right. All right, guys, well, here it is. So I finished printing the picture on sticker paper. Okay. And then I printed the QR code right there. I decided to put it there because everything else is centered, so I don't want it in the corner, and it just looked really weird to put it right here in between the two, or on top, or even on the picture itself. So I put it here. It's tiny, it's scannable, and I love it. Now, where to put this on my wall? I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, please give me a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe, and I hope to do more tutorials like this in the future. Thank you.
In the way, in the searching, in the healing.